Ram Mandir, Ayodhya consecration ceremony, inauguration, architecture, history, and Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid dispute. The Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, inaugurated on January 22, 2024, stands on a historic and disputed site believed to be Lord Ram's birthplace. This temple replaces the Babri Masjid, demolished in 1992 amidst tensions and rioting, marking a significant moment in Hindu-Muslim relations. The Supreme Court's 2019 decision awarded the land to Hindus, sparking widespread celebrations and some criticism for government involvement in religious affairs. The grand consecration ceremony attracted celebrities, politicians, and thousands of devotees, showcasing India's deep cultural and religious ties. Architecturally impressive, the temple features Nagara style, built with pink sandstone and marble, designed to last over 2,500 years. While many celebrated, the event also drew criticism and reflection on India's secular roots, highlighting the complex fabric of Indian society. Ayodhya's development, with over $10 billion invested, aims to transform it into a major pilgrimage site, expected to create numerous jobs and attract millions annually.